Hello and welcome back to chapter 7, lecture number 38. So we created this hatch with the metal locks on it. And I want to add these hatches on all of the windows. Some open, some closed, just purely random. And maybe you can think about the idea where the sun is casting, that would sometimes close the hatches. And on the shadow side, you open it. That's what you can do if you think about story mode, but I just do it randomly. One thing, these locks should be on the inside because it looks a little bit, of course it looks nice to show you, hey, I created locks, but yeah, they should definitely be on the outside. But because you open it, you can just see them. And it's not useless. Just rotate it, hit Control, and we need to rotate it 100 degrees, and hit Control one more. And then we should merge these a bit better. So just from the outside, they shouldn't be visible, but they're definitely there. Control J, and now we have just one object. Control A, rotation and scale. Woo! We have a door, a hatch. So let's put these hatches, align these, and scale them up a bit better. And GY. So I prefer to open these and try to open them on random angles. Otherwise, it looks so duplicated. So a good start is to put this origin on the side, right there, so we can easily just open it. So make it a bit smaller, so it's just right there, a bit more open. And we press RZ. And now it's just floating, hit point, and GY, GX. Okay, and we duplicate it, GX, to this area, GX, and just open it a bit more. It should not integrate into the sandstone, overlap the sandstone. So one can be a little bit more closed. But be aware it's, yeah, that one is good. We duplicate it. And maybe a bit more closed. GY, Shift D, and so on. We continue. Shift D. And maybe when we have the final scene and we have the composition, we start closing the hatches because it looks a bit weird. But that's just an artistic choice. GY, GX, GY. I want to close that one. Maybe a bit more. Okay, that one is closed. Most of them are open. Just grab another one and we go to the tower. And we'll do a couple of them more. The tower should definitely be open because you want to just show what kind of windows we have. So it's challenging just finding the right spot. GY and smaller. And duplicate it in GY, because now the sunlight is just casting on these hatches. Looks beautiful, but the sunlight needs to be adjusted. We need to adjust the sunlight as well. Alright, one more to go and then we are on your own. Let's drag these down and GY, GX, and open it. But on the other side, people can open the hatches because the sun is shining. So, I mean, it's just what you like. It's an artistic choice. RZ. Sort of hard to find where to open the window. GY, GX. Yes. Okay. So, try what sort of variation you like. I think I'm closing some of these, but you have to go all around, even for the inside. So take a break, get a cup of coffee, and put all these hatches, not on the roof, just on the bottom ones. Alright, I will pause the video, and good luck. Alright, so I applied all the hatches on the building. I just forgot one, not by accident, but I thought it was just nice to forgot one. Sometimes you close a couple of ones together and the other ones just open it, but this is just a setup. So maybe when we put everything together, we think we have to close some hatches or open them, some who are closed right now. So we have some time left, so I like to do some more tweakings. That one has no hatch, but leave it for now. Let's focus on this wall. Do something completely different, but it just caught my attention. You have to go to sandstone, and I like to add a gate right here. Just copy this area, then you go to the top view and go to wireframe. You deselect it. It's important you have most of it selected, and there you go. And we go to the UV editing. That's good. Beware, you are in sandstone mode and not in the UV map. That will ruin your mesh. And we want to have this sandstone texture, and we align this. So there we go. That must fit. Let's have a quick preview. We have this arch right there. You should remove it. And same for this area. That's a bit harder to measure. So we have I press 5 to perspective mode, and now we can just go to the front and make a selection. Okay, maybe a bit more, that one. And these, and then we just deselect the other ones right there. And we go to the side view and hit project, and we can align this one. And have a preview. Look at that, we have a door. Let's go to the patches, and we select this area, and we should remove it. And this is patches, right? But yeah. Oh, of course, patches. We need to enable patches. Yeah, that one, and it's gone. And this area as well. So, and from this area. Otherwise, we just forget this. We have to move it. Just add some patches. And it's gone. Alright, so we have the gate, we have hatches, and in the next lecture we will do some fine-tuning on the roof and start working on weight painting the medieval broken wall. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.